The travel
Yeah.
industry is highly competitive, yet some brands stand out because they don't just sell, they connect. So, welcome to Travio Behind the Success, where we spotlight those travel businesses that are making a distant impact within the industry. Today we will explore the journey of Sky Tourista, a brand that has perfectly balanced vision, strategy, and execution. How they scale their business and what they learn throughout this entire journey, we will discover all that today. So, I'm joined by Shemin Michael, sir. Sir, I welcome you to the podcast with
Yes.
Travio.
Okay. Thank you.
So, sir,
Yes.
firstly, I would like to start to introduce yourself and Sky Tourista to our audience.
Yes. My name is Shemin Michael. My company name is Sky Tourista. We are doing in international tours. Mostly we are Caucasian countries. We are specialized: Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan.
Sir, I would like to ask that what was that one moment where you thought that okay, you have to start this business, you have to enter into travel, you have to start Sky Tourista, and you thought that
Yes.
okay, this can actually work.
Yeah, actually, my journey started in Georgia because when I left my job from Oman, I was worked in Oman and I migrated to Georgia. Like last 8 years, I was living there. So once I moved in Georgia, the time for they started the tourism in Georgia in 2016 and 17 in this time. So that time, many of the tourists from Middle East countries and also many of Indians, my friends, actually they want to visit Georgia. So like that, I started with inbound tours in Georgia. So that was the beginning of my company there, and I expand to India also. The last yes,
Yeah.
that's
So,
how I
like
started.
that company you started, it was offline or it is online from beginning?
No, it was so offline company. I mean, offline means like we register the company there, and we are just using the platforms, just the social media and some friends referrals. It was like that when the beginning time.
Okay. So when you started, when you thought that you have to shift to digital, like website.
Digital website, like when I expand my business to India in this time, I felt like it's very competitive market, so I have to be online more and more. That only I can get the business. I changed my mind.
So next, I would like to ask that what's that one mistake that businesses make, while managing clients without a system?
Yeah, I suggest all have a CRM like this. All business owners must be having who doing the travel business. They must having CRM, Travia CRM like this. Then everybody jobs must be get easily they can do easily they can manage their business, and they will get more free time for expand their business.
Yes, sir. So, like, if you have to give a suggestion or some young people, young boys trying to, start their own business and travel, they are just starting out. What you will suggest that when is the right time to invest in CRM?
So I will tell you from the beginning of the company, they will have organized because and from the beginning everything must be organized. Then until they going the step, I mean they will level up the company. Then this time they will not get struggle if they have a CRM like this.
Yes, sir. So, sir, what changes and what benefit, if I may ask, will you describe in 4 or 5 points after you used our services?
So first of all, like about the like customer inquiries we can organize. I mean we can track the leads when you getting from the because we are using many platforms like Facebook and Instagram and other platform also to make advertisements and getting leads. So from the social media, we can connect with this CRM and like we can get manage these leads, and also we can track these leads and we can follow up the customers easily, and we can give the package according to their requirement.
Yes. So now
Yeah.
we'll move forward to the rapid fire round. I will ask and you have to answer in like less quick. You have to answer quickly. So
Okay.
one word for Travio.
Mm, amazing.
Organic marketing or paid ads.
Marketing.
Okay. One CRM feature that you can't live without.
Itinerary generator.
Okay. Biggest game changer for your business. What is that? Is it website, ads, or CRM?
It's a website come CRM. I bought it like that. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
One major thing that improved after working with Travio. Reality versus expectation. What was your expectation and what is the reality of SkyTwist?
Now it's more good, more improving my business. Yes. Yes.
And lastly, can you share a moment where you felt like things didn't go as planned, but it actually
Yeah.
helped you?
Yeah, with your company CRM, and it is really helpful, and I can improve my business also, and I'm saving my time. Yeah.
So, thank you so much, sir. And that was an inspiring conversation with the Sky Tourista, a journey, that truly shows that how the right strategy, the right tools, and the right mindset can transform a travel business. From overcoming challenges to building a strong digital presence with Travio, this
Yeah.
story is a reminder that growth is always possible when you take the right steps. So, thank you for joining us, sir.
Yes. Yes.
I will see you for the
Thank
audience.
you.
I'll see you in the next episode of Travio Behind the
Okay.
Success. Thank you so much, sir,
Okay.
for joining.